Well, this is part two of repairing the oil lines on a Novacon. This is not a Pulsar, but they're basically the same model. This is a M200. The tricky part is in doing this is you got to pull out that gib that runs along that front edge, and all the bolts are right there. So they all got to come out in order for the gib to come out, in order to lift the tray up and then jack it up in order to get to the oil lines. The other thing I wanted to mention is there's two other plates that have to come off. There's one here, and that's got two bolts and two pins, and it's not reversible. What had happened was when I had the table off, one of the bolts or one of the blocks there got turned upside down. Well, you can't turn them upside down because they don't have holes drilled in the right angle. Plus, the one in the back has to be in the right position on the screw, or it won't go in. So, anyways, you can see I got it back together. I built a tray, so all the water should go through the table now. The other one was pretty well cut up after years of going through the wrong directions. This machine's about 15, 16 years old. It still holds up pretty good. So anyways, that's part two.